Hi children, yesterday class we completed 1 point exercise 1.2 and try these problems, do these problems, one or two Romans are there in the page number 8. Try to do yourself. If you have any doubt, contact to me. Afterwards, we are going to discuss rational numbers and their decimal expansions. One time we have to discuss what is a rational number. Already we know in earlier classes what is a rational number. The general form of a rational number is which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are they are in the form of p by q. P comma q are in the least forms, lowest terms, and q naught equals to 0. Such type of numbers are said to be rational numbers. So, the example for rational numbers are 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 7 by 11. These are examples of rational numbers. So, how like we represent these rational numbers in decimal form? So, every rational number can be expressed as either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimals. So, any rational number can be expressed as either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, some of the examples already there in page number 9. I have to write here. Afterwards, we have to do these problems. Let us see here. The examples are 0.375. Let us see. 0.375 first one. The second one is 1.04. Third one is 0.0875 and the fourth one is 12.5. So, how like we represent these decimal numbers in p by q forms? Let us see these ones. So, here 0.375 multiply the numerator multiply with 1000, denominator also multiply with 1000. So, finally you get 375 by 1000. When we take factorization for that, see this is the decimal form and this one is the rational form, p by q form. We have to express this one into lowest terms. Lowest terms, how like one time see here. After doing cancellations, we have to do this one in p by q form. 375 factors. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 1 is 5, 5 fives, 5 threes. So it can be written as 3 into 5 cube by 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. 10 cube is nothing but 2 into 5 whole cube. 2 into 5 whole cube, that is 2 cube into 5 cube. 5 cube once, 5 cube once cancel, one time you get 3 by 2 cube, that is 3 by 8. This is the rational number in its lowest terms. In similar manner, we have to do the remaining problems also. 1.04 multiply with 100 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. You get 104 by 100, and doing cancellations with the 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. With cancel with the 4 25s, 26 by 25. This is the rational form of 1.04. Similarly, you have to do this ones 0.0875. When we do this one in the same process, you get the answer 875 by 10 power 4. This is the rational number. After doing cancellations, we get the lowest terms also. It should be. Now 12.5 also 125 by 10. So these are the rational form of the decimal numbers. After that, how like we have to turn p by q form to, how like we have to change the rational number form p by q form to decimal form. Let us see here. Just we have to see all these examples. The first example is so this is the decimal representation changes to rational form. Finally, what we have to conclude? Any decimal number can be expressed as the p by q form. I mean, the terminating decimals changes to p by q form. How like 0.375 already we done. 0.375 changes to 375 by 1000. This is the rational form. So how like you conclude the four examples? A rational number in the lowest terms, the denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. It can be written as 10 cube, that is 2 cube into 5 cube. So the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Definitely it is a terminating decimal. So directly we have to go for the theorem 1.3. All of you see these ones in the page number 10. Do these problems are there, 4 problems. Those are 15.265. The second one is 0.1255. Third problem is 0.4. Fourth problem is 23.34. Fifth problem is 1215.8. You have to change these decimals into p by q form. How like before we done here, same like you have to practice at home, okay, and upload it in our WhatsApp, school WhatsApp group. So what is the theorem 1.3? Let us see here. Let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Then x can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q are co-primes. The prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. X be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Then x be a can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q are co-primes. For that, some examples are given for us in the page number 10. You have to see at home. Page number 10, 4 examples are given for you. 25 by 2, 3 by 8, 26 by 25 and 7 by 80. These are that. The decimal expansion terminates. Okay. Let us see 25 by 2. How like we have to change? So from these examples, previously we told no 0.375, 1.04, 0.0875, 12.5. These examples onwards, the theorem is obtained for us. What is that? Theorem 1.3. Now, some rational numbers are there. These rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q. How like we have to say the theorem 1.4? See, let us see. Let x is equal to p by q, a rational number, such that the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates. Theorem 1.4. The previous examples are leads to theorem 1.3. Next examples are leads to theorem 1.4. How like we have to do this one time see. 50. The first example is 25 by 2. 25 by 2. How like we have to say this one? So how like we have to represent this one in the form of decimal form? 25 by 2 into 5 in the denominator. Numerator also multiply with 5. So you get 125, 25 5s 125, 2 5s are 10. The decimal form of this one is 12.5. You know that. So this is the rational form. The rational form changes to decimal form. The second example is 26 by 25. How like you have to write into decimal form? One time see. 26 by 25 can be written as 5 square. There is no 2 here. 2 power 0, 2 power 0, no problem. 2 power 0 value is 1. Here also 1. So 26 by 5 square. 26 by, okay, not like that. I have to multiply the 2 square and the 2 square, the numerator and denominator. 26 into 4 by 25 into 4. Finally, 104 by 100, this is 1.04. And goes through the third example, 3 by 8. How like we have to represent this one in the decimal form, 3 by 8. Let us see, 3 by 8, that is 8 can be written as 2 cube. I multiplied here with the 2 cube, 5 cube here. Numerator also multiply with 5 cube. Finally, the value is 3 into 5 cube is 125. 2 cube value is 8. 5 cube value is, directly we have to write a power m into b power m, ab whole power m, 10 cube. That is 375 by 10 cube value is 1000. Finally, you get 0.375. This like the rational form changes into decimal forms. So, these 3 examples leads to theorem 1.4. One time just you have to see the theorem 1.4. Let x is equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, and n and m are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion terminates. This is the theorem 1.4. And do the problems in the page number 11. 4 problems are there, 5 problems you have to do yourself. Finally, we have to go for non-terminating recurring decimals. Which are non-terminating recurring decimals? One time see. Let us see here one example, that is non-terminating recurring decimals. Terminating decimals. So, I have to take 1 by 7 here. One time divide 1 with 7. So, ordinary division only. 7 not gone here, 7 zeros, 0. Remainder is 1. Keep point, keep here 0. 7 1 is 7. Do subtraction, the remainder is 3. Keep one more 0. 7 4s are 28. Do subtraction, remainder is 2, 20. 7 2s are 14. Do subtraction, the remainder is 6, 60. 7 8s are 56. Do subtraction, remainder is 4, 40. Keep one more 0. 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 5. Keep one more 0. 7 8s are, how many times will gone? 7 5s are, 7 6s are 42. Remainder is 7 7s are 49. Sorry, 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 1. Again same remainder will be obtained. So, after doing the same process, these digits are coming once again, repeat and repeat. Such type of decimals are said to be non-terminating repeating decimals. How like we say that's one? The denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Such type of rational numbers are said to be non-terminating recurring decimals or repeating decimals. Okay. Here some more problems are there. Do this, page number 11 you have to do at home. Okay children, if you have any doubt, contact to my number. Bye children.